This is how I made this simple scene. I started by blocking out the scene with simple cubes and framing the camera for this shot right from the beginning. Then I cut some holes for the windows and set up an HDRI for lighting the scene. Next I made some wooden ledges for the window area. I used a free wood material from the Blender Kit add-on and just spread those ledges around to finish up the window part. Then I spent a few minutes modeling a stool for the scene. You don't need anything other than a cube to do it. Then I used the same techniques to design a chair as well. Then I used the Blender Kit add-on again to apply a tile material onto the walls. Then it was time to make the subject of the scene, which was an old school Samsung TV, for which I used this free image from Pexels.com. I went onto the Sandripper website to adjust the perspective of the image so I could use it to directly model the TV and later texture it as well. Meanwhile, I had also spent some time making some secondary assets and details like the remote, some money floating around in the water, an outlet for the TV. I also made a glitchy Poseidon graphic for the TV display and also added some procedural damage to the chair using geometry nodes. And this is how the render turned out. Let me know what you think and if you can figure out what the story was with this image.